RM. I know it's been a while. It's been almost 3 weeks. I mean, I always say it feels like forever when you're looking at these stocks. As many as we do look at. With that being said, currently right now at 0170, beautiful move coming off of this that we see. That's going to be a little bit lower here. Man, look at that. Wow, what a pivotal point for this one. I want to point this out. At 0118, this is going to be a very pivotal point for this one. Look at over here, got through there, boom, came back down that 30-day, right through there again, right out of that gate. So that's going to be that 0118 area. Definitely seems to play a little bit of a role here as a support and resistance line back in the beginning of, back in January, rather. Literally, like almost for the whole month of back here. So if we take a look at the transcripts here, we started covering this stock back on 0028 on January 11th. 0028. Okay, and it got up to almost 7 cents. And we put this one on alert as room to move. And that was back on January 11th. Like I said, you can go back and check that out for yourself as well. Coming down here to the 0118 area that we were talking about. Pulling down and leveling out. Taking a look at the selling here as well, and I'll talk about that in a second. The guys came down to that 0118 area and started to make a nice move off of that right now. My personal opinion, I mean, I don't know how else to say it. You just don't see stock charts like this every single day. And what do I mean by that? A big pull up, or I'm sorry, a big move up, pull down, up, pull down, up, pull down. I mean, look at that. If you take a look at the way that this thing moves, it's like a mountain range. I mean, sometimes they're all over the board, scattered way down and way up. But this was just like a steady move up. But unfortunately, right here is when it broke that trend line. If I can grab that over trend line right here. If we can go ahead and put that trend line up here. Look at that. Right there, came back down over here in March, beginning of April, and broke through there, unfortunately. That was a really nice setup there overall. Doesn't mean that it can't go ahead and move now. Don't take it like that at all. You guys broke through a big time, not big time, but a decent size resistance level at 0156, making your way up. My personal opinion, I would watch for the break of 0237. I know it's quite a ways off of where it's at right now, but a break of 0237 would definitely be a bullish move. But when you break through that 30-day simple moving average, look at what happens here. Or I'm sorry, bouncing off of it right here. Boom, this thing just runs, comes really close. Right off of it. That's why I'm saying if it breaks through that 30-day, it can go up much higher. So we will hand this off to Joe and see what he can add.
All right, so their press release today was ViaDerma Incorporated will vigorously defend the company's patents, product line, and its shareholders from the current complaint against the company. So ViaDerma Incorporated, a specialty pharmaceutical company devoted to bringing new products to market, recently announced that the company's legal counsel, Austin Legal Group, will be addressing the complaint filed by Stephen J. Coe in South Dakota Federal Court. The complaint alleges issues dating back to 2011, which the company believes have been addressed, and the company is evaluating potential counterclaims against the plaintiff. The company has filed provisional patents on several products, and their pending status has already gone through a screening process by the USPTO. The company's president, Dr. Christopher Otico, stated the company's legal counsel will vigorously defend this civil legal action to protect our shareholders and the company's patent pending product line. The company is moving ahead with its aggressive growth plans and plans to complete its initial production of Viblicin topical antibiotic by the end of Q2. So that is that. So that's the press release from today. So if you're looking to do more due diligence on ViaDerma, just go right over to the VDRM board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that ViaDerma Incorporated board.
All right, we're taking a look at that chart here as well. Up. All right, so 0168 is going to be the price. Let me go ahead and adjust this one because that is going to be a very pivotal point for this one as well. Here we go. I just want to adjust the price that I put in there. 0168, resistance at 0168. Okay, there is a resistance level that you're hitting right now at 0168. That's why it feels like it's chugging along. But off of that, it's going to be 0198, 20-day. and 0237, which is a 30-day. Support at 0135, 0118. A break of 0237 would be bullish for VDRM. Again, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. And share this video with all other investors on different stock message boards, stock forums, and social networks. Check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.